Art to Soothe Anxiety is a class I've been wanting to create for a long time. It's well known that more and more people of all ages are struggling with stress and anxiety. I've learned that painting is very calming for me and can help me relax and get out of my head. I came up with the painting process to go even deeper into helping us pull out the fears and frustrations that we experience, assign symbols to them, and paint to move them out. I'll show you how to assign actions for the things you can control and paint in a rhythmic, relaxing way. We will breathe deeply, paint with intention, and create a beautiful abstract piece of art that will have deeper meaning to the creator. If you've been looking for a new way to soothe your anxiety, I hope you will join me.